Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to Finance with Avron, where I can help you maximize your money with the best bank bonuses, credit card bonuses, high yield accounts, investing in stocks and ETFs, and other smart financial moves. In this video, I'm getting into the Chime $100 referral bonus, a super easy way to score some extra cash just by signing up and meeting a few simple requirements. I'll walk you through exactly how to qualify and the steps to get your bonus. I've personally obtained this bonus myself. It's super easy and quick. Let's get into it, first starting with eligibility. One of the main things is that you must be new to Chime. So you must not have had a Chime account before. I'm going to zoom in here on the fine print and show you that. And there it is right there. Referred has not previously opened a Chime checking account. Now let me tell you about what's required when opening a checking account. How do I open a Chime account? This is what you'll need, the steps to open a Chime account. You must have a valid social security number. You must have a United States mobile phone number. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be a citizen or legal resident of the United States. You must use a United States Post Office recognized residential mailing address. And they also state you may only have one Chime account, so you can only open one account. So those are the requirements right there to open a Chime account. Very simple, very easy process. You're going to want to have some kind of ID, driver's license, state issue ID, something like that. And with the Chime account, when you're opening it, it does not affect your credit score. Chime does not run a credit check when you're opening your checking account with them. So no credit checks are performed. And actually with Chime, you can use their credit builder card to actually improve your credit score if you need a little help, a little boost to improve your credit score. I won't get into that in this video, but if you want more info on that, definitely check that out on their website. So those are the requirements for eligibility of this $100 Chime referral bonus. Now let's get into the steps. So step one to obtain this $100 cash bonus is that you must enroll in the Chime checking account through the referral link. And I have my referral link down in the description that you can use to obtain this $100 referral bonus. You see it right there. Get $100 when you join me, Avron, on Chime. So you can use my referral link. Full disclosure, if you use my referral link and follow the steps, you'll get a $100 bonus and I'll get a $100 bonus as well. So thank you very much to anyone who's going to use my referral link. You don't have to. You can use somebody else's if you want to. I'm just telling you about the referral bonus on this video. So yes, that is step one. Sign up for your Chime account through the referral link. So definitely click on the referral link to start the process of opening the Chime checking account. Now, when using the referral link to open the new Chime checking account and working towards receiving that bonus, you have until the end of the year. As you see it right there on the screen, this referral bonus is open between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2025. Very easy, simple bonus to obtain. And you have until December 31st, 2025 to open your account with Chime to work towards receiving that $100 bonus. Step number two is to receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more into your new Chime checking account within 45 days of signing up. And I'll tell you about what is a qualifying direct deposit. And there's another part of step number two that I'm going to tell you about. It's not mentioned right here, shown on this section of the website, but it's in the fine print. So first, let me tell you about the qualifying direct deposits. So a qualifying direct deposit for this bonus is a deposit of $200 or more by ACH, automated clearinghouse, that comes from your employer, payroll provider, gig economy payer, or benefits payer, or a deposit by original credit transaction, OCT, from your gig economy payer. So very simple, very normal process for a direct deposit. ACH, the automatic clearinghouse, that's what a lot of employers basically use to get the money into your account. So that's nothing new. That's nothing, weird or odd or anything like that. That's just a normal process of transferring money into your account via getting paid, basically. So that's the way I got the qualifying direct deposit, through one of my employers. And that's the way a lot of people are probably going to get it. So that's the way right there. Also, you can get a qualifying direct deposit from a payroll provider, a gig economy payer, someone like Uber or DoorDash. But one thing to keep in mind is that that deposit has to be $200 or more. So you need to make sure in that week or that 2 weeks, however often they pay, that you have an amount of $200 or more to qualify for this bonus. Also, qualifying direct deposits are $200 or more from a benefits payer. So if you get benefits, from the government or something like that, then that's a way to meet the qualifying direct deposit stipulation. So few different ways to obtain that qualifying direct deposit. Just make sure that it is at least $200 or more. And you don't have to have that once. So that's all you need to do is just at least once. And a good thing about the Chime checking account is that you'll get paid typically up to 2 days early. So if you normally get paid on a Friday, there's a possibility that you'll get paid actually on Wednesday instead of Friday. So maybe Thursday, but up to at least Wednesday. So 2 days earlier. Now, there are some ways that you can transfer money to this account and from this account, but that are not eligible as a qualifying direct deposit. So these following ways right here, let me highlight them and tell you about them, are not qualifying direct deposits for this bonus. So the following: bank ACH transfer. So just transferring money from another account to this account. You can do that with this account from the Chime checking account to another bank account and vice versa and all that, but it's not a qualifying direct deposit. So that's not a qualifying direct deposit. Also, pay anyone transfers, verification or trial deposits from financial institutions, when you set up a transfer. Also, peer-to-peer transfers from services such as PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo, mobile check deposits, cash deposits, one-time direct deposits such as tax returns or similar other transactions, and any deposit to which Chime deems not to be legitimate or not qualifying direct deposits. So that's the list right there of the transactions that are not qualifying direct deposits. So yes, that is the first section of step number 2, is having at least $200 or more of a qualifying direct deposit into your new Chime checking account within 45 days of signing up. Also, you're going to receive a Visa debit card with your Chime checking account. Now, you need to make sure that you activate that Visa debit card within 14 days of receiving that qualifying direct deposit. So there you see it right there in the fine print. Referred activates their physical Chime Visa debit card within 14 days of receiving a qualifying direct deposit. So you need to make sure you do that. You can activate this Chime Visa debit card, before the qualifying direct deposit. It doesn't have to be after. They're just giving you like a time frame basically of when it has to be done by. So you have up to 45 days to get that qualifying direct deposit from when you open the account. And then when you get that qualifying direct deposit, you have within 14 days of that to activate your Chime Visa debit card. Now, you could definitely activate it quicker than that. I would say go ahead and activate it when you get it, just so you don't forget about it or anything like that. I believe I activated my card before I got my direct deposit into my account. So I would just go ahead and do that just to get that out of the way, but definitely make sure you hit those time frames in regards to the qualifying direct deposit and the activating of the debit card. Now, you don't have to use the Visa debit card if you don't want to. You can. It works just like a regular, Visa debit card. So yes, that's step number 2 right there. Very simple, very easy process. Now, step number 3 is receiving your $100 bonus. After you complete step number 1 and step number 2, they're going to directly deposit that $100 bonus into your new Chime checking account, typically within 2 days. Very quick process, not 60 days, not 30, not after 120 days of keeping the account open, things like that some banks do. I do these bank bonus videos, so I've seen a varied time frame of receiving your bonus, and it's fine. Sometimes it requires a little more patience. The Chime $100 bonus is one of the quicker ones for sure. And also to keep in mind in regards to receiving the bonus, make sure your account is still open and in good standing. So, no negative balances, no shady or fraudulent activity for sure. I do not promote any of that on my channel. None of that going on. Have your account in good standing. I would even have it in positive, a few dollars in there at least. I like to always have these kind of accounts, even if it doesn't require to have a little money in there, but it doesn't stay on the fine print that you have to have a positive balance, but it states that you must have your account in good standing to receive the referral bonus. So generally, they're going to deposit that $100 into your account within 2 business days after you meet those requirements, and your account must be in good standing. And the great thing about this referral bonus is that you can continue with it. Yes, you can use your referral link to give out to your friends and family for them to open a new Chime checking account, follow the steps, and they'll get a $100 bonus, and you'll get a $100 bonus as well. So this isn't just like a one-time $100 bonus, so to speak. Yeah, use the referral link, hopefully mine, in the description. Open up the account, follow the steps, get the $100 bonus. That's all great. And then you'll have your own personal referral link to use and help other people open the account, get $100, and then you get $100 as well. So you could continue this. Now, of course, when it comes to bonuses and extra money and things like that, got to talk about taxes. Credits of $10 or more will be reported on tax form 1099-INT for new members, referred members. If you've done bank bonuses before, then you're familiar with this process. You understand, you know what to do. If you do your taxes, make sure you report it on your taxes. If you get someone else to do your taxes, take the forms that you receive in the mail with your other documents and everything to your tax preparer. Chime states that if a member receives certain monetary rewards that total $600 or more in 1 year, they will be reported on tax form 1099-MISC as required for the Chime member. So something to keep in mind right there, of course, taxes, And some people may be wondering, is it even worth doing with taxes involved and all that? This is not financial advice, but me personally, yes, with receiving $100 bonus like this, typically you're not going to get taxed, near $100 or more on that $100. So, it definitely was worth it for me. It's not something I was like, oh, I'm just going to have to pay that in taxes. No, definitely not. So yeah, that's eligibility and steps 1, 2, and 3. Very easy, seamless process to obtain the $100 referral bonus. Now I want to tell you a little bit about the Chime checking account itself. Now, the Chime checking account is a neat account. It's very simple, very easy to use. And the app itself, the user interface is nice. I've used it myself. I still have an account active with them. And I use it here and there, like depositing cash money at Walgreens into my Chime checking account. That's something that I recently have actually done. Now with the Chime checking account, there's no monthly maintenance fees. So that's nice right there. You don't have to worry about keeping a certain amount of your account, transferring a certain amount every month or anything like that. No, after you do the qualifying direct deposit from Chime of at least $200 or more for the bonus, you don't have to keep doing anything like that if you don't want to. So no monthly maintenance fees with this account. Also, like I mentioned a little bit earlier, you can get paid up to 2 days early via the Chime checking account with direct deposit. So if you have direct deposit set up to go to your Chime checking account, either part of your check or all of your check or however much you want to do, you could possibly get paid up to 2 days early. So if you normally get paid on a Friday, then you'll get paid in your Chime checking account on a Wednesday. If you normally get paid on a Wednesday, then you'll get paid in your Chime checking account on a Monday. So it is nice. And I know people that literally use Chime for their checking account and they get the early pay 2 days earlier from when the employer normally would pay them. So that is nice. They also have fee-free overdraft up to $200. It's more little fine print along with that. I won't get too into detail with that. I don't want to make this video too long. Also, like I mentioned before, you could use their credit builder feature to help build your credit to improve your credit score. So yeah, they state you could build your credit history with no annual fees. So more info about that on the site in the app, but that is a possibility. Also, you can get up to $500 of your pay before payday, kind of like a cash advance, something like that. Chime has that feature. I've not personally used the overdraft fee, the credit builder with Chime, or the $500 early pay before payday. But those are features that they state on their website in their app that are available to the people that want to use them, that need them. So that is nice. And of course, with the Chime app, very nice interface. You've seen it a little bit throughout this video here. Very easy, simple to use. And the Chime mobile app, of course, available on the Apple App Store and Google Play App Store. The Chime debit card is provided with Visa. I've used it before, no issues with it. And Chime itself is a fintech company. They're a financial technology company. They're not a bank, but their banking services are provided by Bancorp or Stride Bank. And both of those are member FDIC. So you do have that Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation backing on your account with Chime. So that is a good feature. You definitely want to look out for that when you're opening accounts and putting money into accounts. You have that security, that peace of mind with FDIC, with this Chime checking account, like you do with other major bank accounts. Also, they have customer service support that you can reach them by phone, in the app, or in their help center. They have support channels open, available 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Reaching somebody by phone, within the app, or through their help center, different ways to obtain help with your account. And they have a large ATM network. Over 50,000 fee-free ATMs are available, which they state is more than the top 3 national banks combined. So very convenient being able to access ATMs, access your money, at Walgreens, 7-Eleven, CVS, Circle K's, various different areas that have these fee-free ATMs, over 50,000 of them. You can look at a map within your app right there, as you see it right there on the screen, and find a fee-free ATM close to you. And that's it on my video about the Chime $100 referral bonus. It's a super simple way to earn some extra cash. And once you've got the bonus, you might even find the account useful and decide to keep using it. And this video is not sponsored or anything like that, but if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.